Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui on va parler de chapitre 5.2. Dans chapitre 5.2, on va parler de getting somebody's attention, ordering food, and then making suggestions as well. D'accord, on va commencer. To get somebody's attention, you may say, répétez-moi s'il vous plaît. Pardon, madame. Excusez-moi, monsieur. La carte, s'il vous plaît. The server may say, répétez-moi. Un moment, s'il vous plaît. Voilà. Vous avez choisi. Vous prenez. All right, to inquire about the menu, you're going to ask, répétez-moi s'il vous plaît. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a à boire? Qu'est-ce que vous avez comme boisson? Vous avez le coca? And the server may say, répétez-moi, il y a. Nous avons. Non, nous n'avons pas de coca. Again, remember after a ne pas sandwich, we have to have de or de epistrophe. Nous n'avons pas de coca. To order, répétez-moi s'il vous plaît. Je voudrais. Je vais prendre. Apportez-moi s'il vous plaît. Donnez-moi s'il vous plaît. And then on your notes, if you're taking notes along with me, on your notes you also have to fill in the regular ER verb apporter, which means to bring. To bring. So I'm going to leave you to do that on your own. All right, we're going to skip a page. So your next page in your notes says Bienvenue à Paris. We're going to skip that for now. Go over to the third page. This is the imperative at the top. The imperative. The imperative are commands or suggestions. So go ahead and fill that into the parentheses down below. All right, when giving a command, you do not say or write the subject, the to or the vous. It's understood. Typically, you just use the to or vous form on the verb, depending on who you are talking to. For example, if I'm talking to one person and that one person is somebody that I know on a first name basis, I'm going to be using the to form. So, for example, fais les devoirs, do your homework. Fais les devoirs. Prends un coca, have a Coke or have a soda. If I'm talking to more than one person, somebody that I don't know on a first name basis, or somebody I don't know that on a first name basis, I use the vous form. For example, écoutez, listen. Regardez, watch. And I've been using this imperative with you guys since the very first day of school. Prenez une feuille de papier. Take out a sheet of paper. I'm commanding you to do something. Écoutez-moi, s'il vous plaît. Listen to me. Répétez-moi, s'il vous plaît. Repeat after me. I've been using this command with you for a long time. You just haven't even noticed it. All right, there are some exceptions. When giving, we're only going to talk about one exception. When giving a command with an ER verb in the to form, you have to drop the S. So we know our ER verbs conjugate EES, ONS, EZ, ENT. The to form usually has that ES ending. However, when we're giving a command, we don't have the S. It just ends in an E. For example, if I wanted to tell somebody work, travail, one person, travail. Listen, écoute. Give me, donne-moi, donne-moi. Eat, mange, mange. And then to look or to watch, regarde, regarde. So again, here are some more examples using the to or the vous form to give commands. Again, remember that we're dropping the s from the to form for only for our er verbs. To one friend, we're using the to form parle. To two friends or to somebody that we don't know, not on a first name basis, parler. To one friend, regarde, regarder. Étudie, étudier. Mange, manger. Écoute, écouter. Here are some more phrases for you, some more examples. These aren't just aren't the verbs. We've added some more onto it. So again, the command can also be used kind of as a suggestion. So here's a good example of that. Prends un coca. Have a soda. Take a soda. Prenez un coca. Prends un sandwich. Prenez un sandwich. Fais les devoirs. Do the homework. Faites les devoirs. Do the homework. Fais un pizza. Faites une pizza. All right, that is all we have for commands. If you go back a page again, bienvenue à Paris, says there at the top, bienvenue à Paris. Let's take those Paris notes. So we're going to be learning about the city of Paris in this etap and the next etap. So we're going to start off here with bienvenue à Paris, some very general information that some of it you might already know. D'accord. Où est Paris? Where is Paris? Paris is the capital of France. It is located in northern central France on the Seine River. Again, as per usual with these notes, I've put in red the things that I would like you to write down. Close to 2,225,000 people live in Paris alone, making it the most populated city in France. In Paris, there's this big concept of centralization. All of the important things are in one city: politics, culture, and business. Paris began on an island, believe it or not, Ile de la Cité, which still remains today, where the Seine River splits in two. So this is the Seine River, as you can see. And although Paris extends beyond Ile de la Cité, Paris began as Ile de la Cité on this island right here, where this Seine River splits. Up here. D'accord, l'histoire de la Seine. Here's an overhead shot of the Seine in Ile de la Cité. There's also another little island over here, but Ile de la Cité is where Paris started. So, l'histoire de la Seine. The Seine River divides Paris into la rive gauche, the left bank, and la rive droite, the right bank. The oldest parts of Paris are the two islands located in the Seine River, La Cathédrale Notre-Dame, the Notre Dame Cathedral, and other important landmarks are located on Ile de la Cité, the bigger of the two islands. Les arrondissements. The city of Paris is also divided into 20 arrondissements. The first one is the center. The following ones spiral outwards in a clockwise direction. Because of this, Paris is often called the snail. So you can see in our picture here, we have le premier arrondissement, deuxième, troisième, quatrième, cinquième, sixième, septième, huitième, neuvième, dixième, onzième, and so on and so forth. And it just spirals out like a big circle. All right, you don't have to take notes on this, but you might find this interesting if you ever visit Paris. France in general is known for their public transportation. So here is a map of the Paris Metro, the underground metro. The lines are named by the last stop of the line. D'accord, quel temps fait-il à Paris? Over a year, the climate in Paris can be described as mild and moderately wet. En été, il fait chaud et il fait beau. Days are usually warm and pleasant with a fair amount of sunshine. Au printemps et en automne, il fait frais. On average, days are mild but could change in a second. En hiver, il fait froid. Sunshine is scarce and days are cold. However, it doesn't really snow in Paris. Doesn't snow a lot. L'avenue des Champs-Élysées. L'avenue des Champs-Élysées is an avenue in the 8th arrondissement of Paris. It is known for its theaters, cafes, and luxury shops, and as the finish of Tour de France, which you might know of. If you don't know what Tour de France is, it is a cycling race. It is commonly regarded as one of the most beautiful avenues in the world. So here you can see, it's right here. Here are some pictures. And then there is a song about it as well that we will listen to in class. Here are the lyrics for you. You can pause the video now if you want to take a peek. And here's some more lyrics. You can pause now if you want to take a look. Alright, that is all that I have for you today. I hope this video lesson helped you out a bunch. Au revoir, à bientôt.